Hello, Paul again here from AMD Automotive. Currently passing I've got this Porsche 991 Turbo that I'm doing the actual battery. So I'm changing the battery for this one because I failed the test on this car here. So if you're doing the battery, you have to remove all these parts out. This one here is a strap that goes on the wall. If you look inside there, see that part there? It's where for this one here. It goes like that. One nut there and one nut here. Those two there, it's gonna come off. This is the bracket that holds the battery in place, which goes on this side here. You see the hole where that bolt goes through. That one there, 13 mil, 13 mil, 13 mil. All you need is a 13 mil and a Torx and a M. This one here is a M12, I think. Give me 2 seconds. Sorry, a M10 hex, double hex, I think. M10 multi-spline, I call it. For this one here, which goes on that one there. So that one holds this one in place, and then the other one here, that one there, and that one there on top. So these screws that goes on T20, T20, and a T20 there for this one, for the siren. Alright, so now I'm taking the battery off. This is a AGM battery, this one here. So we are replacing with a Varta battery. AGM Varta, there you go, G14 Varta battery for this car. And what I usually do is put the battery charger on it to double check the battery, make sure that the charge is good first. So as you can see, the charge is good, it's green, so that means it's pretty full before I put it in the car. Alright, that way at least I know how full the battery is. So now I'm gonna pretty much put everything back in reverse, and then connect the scan tool in the car, carry out the delete or the fault. Any adaptation need to be carried out will be carried out as well. Alright, but that's pretty much it on the 991 Turbo. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.